quick video here. This was posted earlier by a bunch of channels, but you probably know this one, Mario Nawful. But anyway, they're saying this is the picture of the week coming out of NASA. And I found something pretty interesting in the image. We're going to take a look at that in a second. And real quick, it says this image was acquired on December 25th, 2024, Sol 1368. And here is the solar time, 11:46:52. Anyway, so I took this picture and I downloaded it, and all I did was throw it in this basic photo program here. And I want you to look in this area right here, because you're going to see a perfect sphere that some of you might already be able to see. But as I mess with these settings, take a look, because it's very interesting. There's the contrast right here. Just keep looking right here. You can kind of see the edges of it now. And also, you're going to want to look down here in the dirt. It almost looks like a reflection or some sort of oval right about here. So keep an eye on that as well. I think I changed the shadows a bit. Yeah, you can see it a little bit with the shadows here, kind of brightening it up. And there's like this wave that comes up in this direction as well. So it could be some sort of interference with the lens. You could see the edge of the lens up here and over here. So I think it's some sort of wide angle or fish lens, but just an interesting anomaly over here. And then when you add the highlight to it, it kind of pops out a little more. You can see it right here. I'm not even going to say what this actually really looks like here, but it's just really funny. I noticed this in the image, and also down in this area here, there's like an edge here, an oval type shape. It just kind of stuck out to me. This could be absolutely nothing at all, but I just found this very interesting. If you download this picture and you do exactly what I did here, you're going to get this exact image right here. So obviously I'm not saying this is some sort of planet or anything like that, but it definitely looks like one. And then when you manipulate the image a little more, you can really start bringing that out. So it may be a light refraction, but that is a perfect circle on the horizon of a Mars photo that was just released this week, and it's being called the photo of the week. So it has made its rounds. I'll leave the photo down below so you can download it and try it yourself. Let me know what you think, everybody. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.